Blackstone Betty, and today I'm here with my two favorite ladies, my sister Renee and my mom Donna, and we're having a girls' day hanging out by the pool with all the kids. They're swimming, they're getting hungry, so we are popping in to make a quick little snack or two. So this is going to be two quick appetizer type of dishes that we're going to make. We're doing a, did I say too long? No, I don't know why she's looking at me.
I'm still here.
Okay. You think she left?
Hello.
Hi. So we're going to do a quick shrimp recipe and a quick quesadilla recipe. How do you say it?
Quesadilla? Quesadilla.
No, you don't. She says it right. I say it wrong. I know she says it wrong, but she's been practicing. So we're going to show you how to serve up just two quick little dishes, family style, to bring out poolside for your guests or my guests. So let's do that. Alright, so for our shrimp, one thing that I really love that I showed off before on one of my lives was the Frontera brand chicken sauce for the chicken tacos that I make. And today I'm using Frontera's key lime shrimp packet. This I zhuzh up just a little bit with a few ingredients.
In case you're wondering, zhuzhing it up, like that's a real word, a real term. It's not like all the other fake words that Betty makes up. This one is real.
And it really makes for really awesome shrimp. If you take a look at these shrimp, I'm using wild caught Gulf shrimp, which I think is so important to use wild caught because the flavor is just so much better. Look how large they are. What I do, and I already did it, was peel the shells off, but I always like to leave the tails on. The tails make for good sucking out of the juice that you'll get when you'll see it cook, and I just slightly butterfly them along the back, clean them out from anything that would be in there, deveining them, I guess it's called, right? Deveining them. Nate would know the specific term better than me, but do you see how I butterfly them even though, I mean, I cleaned it, but I also slit them some? This way when they cook, they really, what do you call that word? They get bigger and they plump up. They plump up like lobster meat. If you cook a lobster tail without splitting it, it just stays the same size.
I think you have to go back to the sucking part.
The sucking part? So
no, don't say the sucking part. And wait, are we talking?
Worse than me. I know.
Are we talking about?
I'm just like the juice out of it. You'll see when we eat them, Mom's gonna suck the juice out of the tail. So I do leave the tail on because it holds so much flavor and juice in there that last bit of shrimp, plus it's a handle too.
What kind of shrimp are these?
These are wild caught Gulf shrimp.
Are you saying Gulf or Gulf?
Gulf?
Gulf, like the Gulf of Mexico?
Yes. How do you say
Gulf.
it? Gulf?
Gulf.
Oh.
It's G-U-L-F.
Well, you know.
I thought you said Gulf shrimp.
So Renee obviously is joining CJ and Nate, who want to just pick on me for everything I say, and that's fine. You can be on Team Nate and CJ.
Welcome to the team, Renee.
I'm just here to translate.
All right, so we're gonna take our shrimp and we're just going to add a few. I like to do 3 garlic cloves because I'm doubling the recipe. When you see this up online, it's going to be for 1 pound of shrimp. But I have 2 pounds of shrimp because I have a lot of people here, so I believe the 2 pounds of Gulf jumbo shrimp are 16 to 20 count. Here, those kids in the pool having fun, working up an appetite. Look, and it doesn't have to be just a rough chop. I just want this to flavor my olive oil. So to that, we're just gonna add just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And then we're going to grab our Frontera and I'm gonna add 2 packages because 1 package per pound it calls for. Woo! You just squirted it everywhere. And it might look like a lot of sauce like you just said, Mom, but these are a saucy shrimp, and this is exactly why I want to leave the tails on. When I talk about being able to use the tail as a handle, and I really legit mean their tails are great for sucking the juices out of them because that juice is going to get stuck in the tail, and then you can also just scoop up some of that beautiful sauce that you'll see. So to that, I'm just going to slide it over and I'm going to add maybe a handful of cilantro or 2. And just roughly chop that because at the end I'm going to garnish it with a little bit more. We're just going to add that right to our shrimp. Alright, we're going to grab a lime. We're just going to roll it a little bit to get those juices to release. Add that to our shrimp. I'm going to do a whole lime. So I would do half a lime per pound. I'm just going to let my mom finish mixing that and get that ready for the griddle.
Alright, let's get this heated up while Mom gets the chicken ready. And there's shrimp are marinating.
Woo, look at that.
Pretty sound.
So you're just going to put it to what temperature, do you think?
Medium.
Medium, because we don't want our shrimp cooked so fast. This is the way I like to make my sour cream. We're going to add 1 lime. So we're just going to squeeze. Yeah, I do about a tablespoon of cumin in it.
Tablespoon?
Yeah, I love cumin, don't you? And then we're going to do some lime zest. So I have one more lime. This is the, watch when you use it, just watch your fingers. It is so sharp, this thing. This is the Blackstone. I know, isn't it sharp?
I need one of these actually.
This is on the Blackstone website. I think this is my favorite thing for garlic or any kind of citrus zest that I need. Look at that.
So this will stay good in the fridge for how long?
Probably like as long as your sour cream stays good because there's nothing else in it that will go bad. Alright, so the shrimp we're going to throw on real fast. So I'm just going to turn this down to low because I don't want my shrimp to burn. I want them to cook real nice and they're going to cook fast either way, but I'm going to try to slow it down just a little bit. It already smells so good. Shrimp are very easy to overcook. People get worried. Just remember when they're this hot and you take them off, they're still going to continue to cook for the last another 30 to 60, maybe even 90 seconds when you take them off. And if you overcook them, they will get too rubbery. You want shrimp to be very nice and tender like lobster. See, now they're cooking nice and slow. It cooled down my griddle top. All that juice is cooking, that garlic is cooking in there. Hey guys, you want to do me a favor? Grab that beautiful new board I bought. All that sauce is going in here. One thing I love about serving up food for my family, especially in the summertime, well actually all year round, is buying myself some really fun boards. It kind of makes it feel like we are out somewhere at a restaurant. Like seriously, look at this. Just going to add that lime that we cut up, kind of put them wherever they fall. The board makes it pretty, the little garnish makes it pretty, and it's very inexpensive and very beautiful. And that's
no cleanup.
Nope, no cleanup. So you want to get a little bit of extra lime. Cheers. Thanks for another full day, girls' day, with all these children. Cheers. It's so big.
Oh, it's good.
I know, but you gotta suck it out with the towel. Okay, so good. So good. So the chicken, she stole the chicken bowl. Mom! You took the chicken bowl! I need the chicken bowl! That's the new Blackstone cutting board that belongs on the side of your Blackstone. It's perfect.
It even says Blackstone. I can't wait to use it.
Okay, so there's 1 pound of chicken.
Yep, just take that and we're gonna dice that up into small pieces. How's your chicken going, Mom?
Good.
You kind of like you're eating a steak dinner.
I don't really want to touch it, but...
So cheese, look, this is how, another thing that I'm constantly saying, buy blocks of cheese and grate them yourself. We always have little ones stealing all the cheese, don't we? Uh-oh. Some for you, some for me.
And some for the floor.
To our chicken, to the chicken. I say this all the time. I absolutely love Duke's for chicken. It is going to keep my chicken moist. It's going to marinate it quickly, and I will not need to add any butter or oil to the griddle. So, Mom, can you put like a big tablespoon? To that, we're using, Renee, you want to show me what kind of seasoning we picked today? So you could pick any kind of barbecue flavored seasoning since we're doing barbecue. Are you stealing my cheese? We're going with the Philly grit. barbecue rub, Philly style. This was sent to me by Billy Grit. Mom said it's good. She's the boss. Are you starving? Are you waiting to eat? Look at him. We gotta prep everything, so we're gonna have to dice or slice up some onion nice and thin. I don't use too much. Maybe half an onion. I know the kids probably won't want one. I'm just gonna do thin slices. So to these, we have our chicken marinating for just 5 minutes in the Duke's mayo and a little bit of our favorite barbecue seasoning or your favorite barbecue's dry seasoning. Set that aside. Our sour cream that we added some lime zest, lime juice, cumin to. That's in the fridge waiting for us for dipping. Another thing I like to dip these quesadillas in is a mixture of crushed pineapple, including the juice, and your favorite barbecue sauce. I'm using the Sweet Baby Ray barbecue sauce. If it seems too thin, you can always add more barbecue sauce. What are you doing?
Yeah.
Are you stealing my cheese again?
Yep.
Yup. All right, so our griddle's on low, and we're just gonna add the chicken, which is only gonna take, what, like 3 minutes to cook maybe?
Yeah, that seasoning smells good.
Oh. Really good? We'll try them on the chicken. All right, so the chicken is done. We're just gonna slide it to the side. Is that in there still? We're gonna add our tortilla shells. I'm using 10-inch tortillas. Flour. I am not really a fan of the corn. These are humongous, by the way. So I thought I'd be able to fit all these, but maybe if I can. You're supposed to be helping me cook, not steal all the shrimp.
So good though.
All right, so to these, we're gonna quickly cook them so that we can get back into the pool. I love quesadillas on the Blackstone. There's so many crazy different ways that you can make these, and there's no wrong or right to your ingredient concoctions that you want to make. The cheese on both sides is the glue that's going to hold these together. I'm adding that sliced red onion. I'm just going to do this to one side. So I like to do half my ingredients on one side, half to the other side. And then my chicken. See my chicken back there waiting patiently? This is going to go. Really, if you're only going to do half of a quesadilla, you only need to do half of your tortillas, and you're going to fold this in half. That way you don't run out. But 1 pound of chicken is perfect for the 8-pack of 10 tortillas. My barbecue sauce comes back into play, not the one that we made with the pineapple, because that is our dipping sauce. I'm just going to add just a little drizzle of this on each one. Without getting the juice that's left behind, I want just the pineapple, okay? Which probably is even easier if you use your hand, but put some pineapple.
Or like a slotted spoon.
Yeah, slotted spoon, but I don't like doing the run of shame that Nate does in every single video.
If I had a knife, I would be cutting this right now. Yep.
Don't film this part.
Okay. I'm not. I promise.
All right, look at all that pineapple. The pineapple is so good with that barbecue sauce. And then you're gonna get, go ahead, nothing on it. Then you're gonna get more pineapple with that juice from the mixture that we made for dipping, or you could scoop it on each bite. I love crushed pineapple, oh my gosh. Can't mess them up.
Chopping up some cilantro.
No, you're just ripping it.
Or ripping it.
Doesn't need to be pretty, right? All over that. Oh my god, fresh cilantro. Adding a little bit more cheese, of course, to finish it. All right, these are looking good. We're just gonna fold them over. Fold that over. That one is perfect. We're gonna slice these up this little bit, which is going to be perfect to serve up family style. I always make extra just in case people do show up. This is such a cheap, inexpensive meal. 1 pound of chicken costs what, like $4, and 1 pack of tortilla shells costs $1 or $2. How can you beat this for serving? Look at all this. You cut each one into 3 big pieces. All right, let's take this off and cut this up and get these served up. It's gonna be so good. Look at that inside. Hold on. See that cheese pool? Look at that.
Yeah,
Let me just show you the inside real fast. Look at that cheese pool. That is because we shredded our own cheese. Mom, you want to add that dipping sauce to our beautiful board? See that? This
it's like a cheese chip.
is money. And I'm going to eat it. I'm going to steal all of them.
It's good.
They're so good. They taste like Cheez-Its. Let's keep going.
You hear that, Frank?
How pretty
Zhuzh
that
it up. Yes. I almost forgot the last thing. We forgot our sour cream that we made with that crema and that lime and the lime zest. Oh, this is perfect and ready to go. So thanks for joining us. We got to get this stuff out to the poolside because the kids are all running in here ready to eat. Let's take one more bite before everybody comes in. Thanks for helping me, Renee and Mom. And be sure to visit us on blackstoneproducts.com for the recipes that will be fully posted and written out. And until next time, we are family style with Blackstone Betty. And also be sure to visit the YouTube channel Blackstone Products and hit that little bell and subscribe and keep up to date with what we are sharing for you guys. Bye guys.